Hello guys, today I am going to show how to install SQL Server 2012 Express Edition. Okay guys, I have a two download file. One is SQL Server and another is SQL Server Management Studio. I'll show how to install these two product in SQL Server. Then first I want to install SQL Server Express Edition. Just double click the folder or right click and run as administrator. Then yes, prepare to install the SQL Server Express SP3. It need more time for installing. File are being copied. Okay, there are two options here. New SQL Server standalone installation or add feature to an existing installation, and upgrade from SQL Server 2005, SQL Server 2008 or SQL Server 2008 R2. We are going to install new SQL Server. Okay, just click here. Setup support rules are being installed. Okay, here are two options for selecting. One, I accept the license terms, and the second option is send feature uses data to Microsoft. Feature uses data includes information about your hardware. I just select or click two option, then next. It's need more time for install SQL Server. File are being processing for installing the SQL Server. Okay, it has come here. Okay, there are two options: database engine service and SQL Server application, and another is shared feature, SQL client connectivity SDK. Okay, I will select as default two option. Then you can change the your installation folder from here. I am changing the installation folder. I will make a folder name here, just F drive, then SQL, then I will select that folder from my hard disk, F SQL. Okay, then I am also selecting here shared feature. For shared feature, F SQL. There has a error. There are validation error on the box review error. Oh, same folder is not acceptable. I just name change the name. Next, it will need more time for installing the SQL Server. Here the default instance and the named instance, I will select default. Then I am also select the folder from here in my location where I install the SQL Server. It is SQL here. Then next, there are two options: SQL Server Database Engine and SQL Server Browser Engine. Database engine is automatic and browser is disable. I will keep it unchanged. Then next. There are also two options: Windows authentication mode, mixed mode, SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication. I will select mixed mode and enter password. Password is secret. Then next. Here are some another option, data directories. You can change the data directories from here. Actually I do not change because of my folder already selected here. And user instance is unchanged. File system, enable the file system for transport, but if you have no solid idea about this, you do not enable this file system. Just server configuration you can install. Then next. Okay, you can check the box, that is why error report you can send the Microsoft. I am check the box. The next. It's more time for installing the SQL Server. It is almost complete. It will complete after 30 or 40 seconds later. Almost done. Okay, all are successfully installed. Then close it. Now check the SQL Server Configuration Manager is here. This is SQL Server Configuration Manager. This is my server running. Okay, SQL Server. Okay, it is running. Okay, now I am going to install SQL Management Studio. Okay, right click or double click. It also need more time for install. Just close it. Run. It is also need more time for installing. Okay, same as SQL Server, new SQL Server standalone installation or add feature and existing installation. Click. It also need more time. Okay, it is coming. Next. This need more time for installing. Okay, perform a new installation SQL Server 2012 or add feature and existing installation. We will perform a new installation of SQL Server. Okay, accept and select the checkbox both. Okay, just next. All are selected. Okay, send Windows and SQL Server error report to the Microsoft. Check the box if you want to send the error report to the Microsoft, or if you do not send the error report to Microsoft, or please unchecked. I am checking the box. Okay, next. It also need more time for installing. Okay, my installation complete. I will installing SQL Server Management Studio. Just close. All are successfully installed. Then I am going to connect the SQL Server. Okay, just run ms SQL Server Management Studio. Just need 20 to 30 seconds for open the SQL Server Management Studio. Just need few minutes for opening. Okay, SQL Server is open. This is my server name and Windows. Now I am going to provide SQL Server authentication. Okay, connect. Sorry, need login name as a and password. Remember, then connect. Okay, my SQL Server is connected with the database. Okay, it is connected. This is the database already connected system. Okay, you can disconnect the object and connect the Explorer. This is connection. Okay, next I'm just seeing my SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio, this one. Okay, I have remembered the password and I input the password here, then connect, just connect. It is connecting. Okay, guys, this way you can install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.